I am founder and CEO of ShipMitra, and this is our current website of ShipMitra, how we are doing. I'll show you. This is the whole page where you can see all the things what we are providing. This is all our testimonials. This is the true testimonials, and then we have a smart business shipping partner like Try AI Assistant, which is not working right now. It is in coming soon part. These all are the companies which we have the contract or which we already implemented, or some of these companies we are implementing it right now. And this is our whole first page. This is our courier partner section where anyone who wants to join us the pickup partner, they can apply from here. This is all for this, and this is how it works. This is about us page where you can see the whole company's data, our story. This is our mission, how the journey is working. This is our team. This is our impact, what we did. The impact is currently onboarding, what we have till now. This is all that things. And now you can see the contact page where anyone if has any question or doubt, they can contact us. Then we'll go with the sign in page. You can do the login with your email ID and password, but I am currently doing with the Google. All the things are working perfectly. I'm just doing with my any email ID right now. Okay, now it's signed in. Now you can see here the calculator page is there. I'm just going to do on the calculator page. This is the pickup postal code area where I am any postal code of India, because it is just working for the India right now. This is the Mehsana's postal code. Then I'm writing this is Delhi's postal code, and I'm adding weight 1 kg. This is our piece 1 kg, 10 length, 10 widths, 10 breadths. Then I am selecting here express prepaid. I want to go with delivered option. Then if I hit on calculate rates, it will show up the rate of India Post, Express Bees, DTDC, Surface, Delivery Surface, Express Bees Air, DTDC Air, Delivery. Inside which we are also providing delivery days per kg weight, and some of the API keys what we are getting is SGST, CGST, DL, DPH, and all that things we are providing here. We are also providing zones on the basis of what we are getting data for the inside India, where you can add any pin code and you can check the pricing, and we got the customers from here. So this is all how our ShipMitra works for the present time and currently. Thank you for watching it.